If your 2020-2023 Mazda CX-5 has a dead battery, you can still unlock it manually. Locate the smart key fob and find the small release button to extract the mechanical key. This key will fit into the driver's side door lock cylinder, which is located beneath a small cover flap on the door handle. Insert the key and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. Once the driver's door is open, other doors may unlock automatically. Before attempting to unlock your Mazda CX-5 with a dead battery, prioritize safety. Always ensure the vehicle is in park and your keys are secured nearby. Avoid forcing the lock mechanism, as this could cause permanent damage to the door or key cylinder. Looking ahead, Mazda is exploring digital keys through smartphone apps for convenient access. However, the mechanical key in your key fob serves as a dependable backup that works without any electrical power. This ensures you can always access your vehicle, even in power failure situations. To prevent dead battery lockouts, consider using battery monitoring apps that alert you to low voltage levels. Ongoing improvements in battery technology, including better cold weather performance, are expected to reduce these incidents. Nevertheless, all Mazda CX-5 owners should master the manual key extraction and unlock process as an essential skill. If the manual unlock process doesn't work or you encounter other issues, don't hesitate to contact a professional mechanic or Mazda dealership for help. They can diagnose any underlying problems and ensure your vehicle is safe to use.